Good morning, everyone. It is a Sunday morning, and I'm heading to the hayfield to drop 22 acres of hay. I'll get the field opened up. My son will be up at the other tractor, and we should knock this out 2 hours. That's the goal, because we're going to have some hot days here in southwestern Indiana. This will be third cutting on this particular field, and I'll try and get I won't try. I'll get 100 square bales up in the barn off of this field, and then I'll bale the rest in round bales. It's not going to be a lot, but just the quality is going to be pretty good. That's today's project. As I mentioned, it's hay cutting day, and it's a little bit thinner than I thought it was, and I'm also a little disappointed in the amount of broom sage that's in this field. And so I did a soil test, and I put pelletized lime on, but it didn't improve it that much. The soil test said it really didn't need any lime, but with all this broom sage, I'm just not sure I believe that soil test. So I'm going to have to invest or find some actual real lime and get spread on this field this fall or early next spring, and see if I can get rid of this broom sage. So things are going pretty smooth, but again, it's thinner than I expected it. But we haven't had any rain to speak of now for 2 weeks, so things are pretty dry, and that's probably hurt production on this field. That's just how it goes. Well, this is kind of a wrap-up of hay season. I'm going to clean up the dismores, and the final baling will happen on Tuesday, hopefully, of this week. So I'm going to fire up the power washer and get the 2 dismores cleaned up for the winter. I am baling my last hay field of the year. I'm going to try and get the 90 to 100 square bales. I've already started, and then I'll switch to my big round baler to finish up the field, and I'll turn the camera around so you can see what's laying on the ground so far. Morning, everyone. I hope you can see this. This is the tire that's absolutely shot on the square baler, so I'm going to try and get it replaced today. The baler has been cleaned and serviced and greased for the winter, and get this tire replaced, and then I will park it in the barn for the winter. The round baler has been blown off, and I can't park it for the winter because I do roll up corn stalks before I park it for the winter. But at least it is blowed off until corn harvest begins, so I can roll up those corn stalk bales. So that's my morning projects, and we'll continue to get these things taken care of. All right, folks, both balers have been serviced. New tire is on the square baler. So now I'm just going to unhook the big round baler. It's been greased and blown off. And then I'll take this baler into the barn and park it for the winter. Well, the guys from the fertilizer company, it's Cloverdale Agri Center, and I don't know whether they sold out, so I don't know whether that's still the name or not, but this is my neighbor's field. I think it's 31 acres, and they're getting ready to spread it. And then they'll move over to my 22 acres and spread it. And we'll see if I'm back up here and get some drone footage, so we'll see how this goes. That's what's happening today. As you can see, they're loading the spreader. And that doesn't take long with that payloader. Looks like the sound of it, they need a little grease job. in the process of weaning calves. I've already hauled one load home and getting ready to do the second load. So I'll put the GoPro up here and see if you can see them as they're coming up the chute. Well, good evening. I have all the calves loaded. One load's home. This is the last load. And I left a set of twin bull calves and a big bull, and I brought their cows home, their mothers. So I'm doing a little different kind of weaning because what I want to do is to, when I bring my big bull home for the winter pasture, I want to bring those 3 bull calves with him, and I couldn't do that because the pasture that they will be in, I have to do some fence repair, and it's not a big repair, but I just need to get it fixed. So that'll be after those bull calves have weaned themselves here with the other cows. So that'll be a wrap of this video. I hope you enjoyed the drone video, and I'm not sure getting these calves loaded was such a exciting thing, but anyway, thanks for watching. Share with your friends, hit that subscribe button, and until next week, have a great weekend, everyone.